Ever wondered what it's truly like to stand face to face with an erupting volcano? Forget what you think you know. This drone footage pushed the limits, flying directly into the heart of nature's most terrifying spectacle and capturing incredible footage you won't believe. Prepare to witness Earth's raw power from an angle no human has ever seen and survived. Volcanoes are among the most powerful and unpredictable forces on our planet. They begin deep beneath the Earth's surface, where immense heat and pressure melt rock into magma. When that pressure builds beyond what the crust can contain, the result is explosive. Magma bursts through cracks, becoming lava, ash, and gas. Each eruption reshapes the land around it, creating new mountains, islands, and fertile soils that can support life for centuries. But in the moment, the destruction is absolute. Homes buried, skies darkened, and communities forced to flee. The balance between beauty and danger is razor thin. What causes these eruptions varies. Some happen when tectonic plates collide, forcing molten rock upward. Others occur when plates drift apart, opening deep fissures that let magma escape. Even underwater, volcanoes erupt silently, building entire islands over time. Yet, with all our technology, predicting eruptions remains a challenge. Scientists monitor tremors, gas emissions, and temperature shifts, but volcanoes often defy expectations. That uncertainty is what makes them both fascinating and frightening. Watching this drone footage, we see more than nature's rage. We see its rhythm. Each eruption reminds us that Earth is alive, constantly reshaping itself in fire and ash.
From destruction comes creation, and from chaos, new worlds are born. Volcanoes remind us how fragile yet resilient our planet truly is. If this glimpse into Earth's fiery heart moved you, like, subscribe, and share. Join us next time as we uncover more wonders of our living planet, seen from the skies.